How to buy time is money token. Now this token came under the symbol of time. Now before we start, this is not financial advice. I'm not professional or economic expert. So before investing in any project that you find on my channel, please do your own research. And also, there is a referral code down in description. You can get free money, rewards on crypto. With the best referral code, simply use goes below. Fund your account, enjoy the benefits. Check them out in the description. Now, before going on buy this token, make sure to check the REFERRAL account and keep following their updates about this token. Now, as you can see, this token is available on the screener. It's created 5 hours ago and increased by 2000% in the last 24 hours. The liquidity here unlocked by 99%, as you can see. That's mean your investment in a safe place. This token trending number 28 in the Solana section. Now, to be able to buy this token, it is simple. Click here to copy the token address and open if you want to money for that. As you can see, click here on swap and make sure that you have enough Solana in your wallet. Now click here and press the token address. So as you can see, this is also going to click on it and here select how much you want to buy. So here you will be able to see how much you receive. Now after that, select provide, for example, Jupiter, and make sure to read all of that information here and here click on swap. And after that, you will be able to redirect to the Jupiter provider page to be able to buy this token. Now if you face an issue, go back to this page and as you can see, switch the slippage from here or custom because the most issues came from the slippage, and after that you can be able to buy this token without any issue. So this is how to buy time token. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe. See you in the next video.